Good morning. So today we'll discuss variants of assignment problem. So we know some problems in assignment are square matrix, but there are some non-square matrix. Such problem is found to exist when the number of facilities is not equal to the number of jobs. Since the Hungarian method of solution requires a square matrix, fictitious facilities or jobs may be added and zero cost be assigned to the corresponding cells of the matrix. So these cells are then treated the same way as the real cost cells during the solution procedure. So today we'll see such problems of non-square matrix. Also, there are some another type of problems where maximization is required. Sometimes the assignment problem may deal with maximization of the objective function. Maximization problem has to be changed to maximization before the Hungarian method. So this transformation may be done in the either of the two ways. One, by subtracting all the elements from the largest element of the matrix, and second way is by multiplying the matrix element by -1. The Hungarian method can then be applied to this equivalent minimization problem to obtain the optimal solution. The third variation is restriction on assignments. Sometimes technical, space, legal or other restrictions do not permit the assignment of a particular facility to a particular job. Such problem can be solved by assigning a very heavy cost, that is infinity or m, to the corresponding cell. Such a job will then automatically excluded from further consideration. Then alternative optimal solutions. Sometimes it is possible to have two or more ways to strike off all zero elements in the reduced matrix for a given problem. In such cases, there will be alternate optimal solutions with the same cost. Alternate optimal solutions offer great flexibility to the management science, and it can select the one which is more suitable to its requirement. So today we will discuss non-square matrix assignment problems. Let us note down one problem. So on a screen you can see non-square matrix problem. Note down. A company has one surplus truck in each of the cities A, B, C, D, E, and one deficit truck in each of the cities 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The distance between the cities in kilometer is shown in the matrix below. Find the assignment of trucks from cities in surplus to cities in deficit to that the total distance covered by the vehicle is minimum. See, there are A, B, C, D, E 5 rows and 1 to 6, that is 6 columns. So it is a non-square matrix. Now what is a procedure? The first step, prepare a square matrix. As the situation involves a non-square matrix, it has to be modified to the square matrix by adding dummies. So add a dummy city with surplus vehicle. Since there is no distance associated with it, the corresponding cell values are made all zeros. So you can add one dummy row A, B, C, D, E, and one more city, dummy city you can add, and its distance in kilometer, that is 0. Then start solving the step 2, the minimum value of each row you subtract from all the elements in same row. So in first row 8 is a minimum. Here 8 is a minimum. So you subtract it from all elements of first row. In second row 10 is a minimum. In third row 3 is minimum. In fourth row 6 is minimum. In fifth row 7 is minimum. Okay, in this way you choose minimum values and subtract it from all other elements. Okay, in this way you can do the calculation, and the modified values you can write down in the table. So you will get this new table. 4, 2, 7, 14, 10, 0. Now you can go for assignment. So you check first row, is there any 0? Yes, in first row there is a 0. Then you choose 1 0 of first row. You choose this as an assignment, and then you find in the same column or row where this 0 is there, is any other 0? Yes, here there is 0, so you cross it. Okay, now you go for second row. You choose this as a square matrix, and the other zeros in the same row, in the same row there is no 0, but in same column there are 2 zeros, so you cross these zeros. You choose. Now you go for third row. You find 1 0 here, you make it square, assign it. In the same row there is no 0, but in same column there is a 0, you make it cross. Now for fourth row, already it is crossed, there is no free 0. Then fifth row there is a 0, you assign the value. The remaining zeros in the same column or row, make it crossed. Okay, then in the dummy row, either you can assign the second column or fourth column. Let you assign second column and you make a cross, one more 0 which is in the same row. Okay, in this way you can assign the values. So total how many assignments are there? Total assignments are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 assignments are there. And how many rows and columns are there? 6 rows and columns are there. Means it is not a optimum solution. It is not an optimum solution. Okay. Now we'll go for iteration. So you choose now where there is no assignment but cross 0 present in the row. So first row is assigned, second row is assigned, third row is assigned, fourth row it is not assigned. So you choose. Okay, you choose. You have chosen. You have make a tick mark there. Okay. Later on, in that row, if there is a cross 0, that column you mark. You mark here. Okay. Either you can mark here or here. Okay. You can mark here. Then in that column, if any assignment is there, yes, if there is assignment, then you mark here. Okay. In this way, there are 3 markings. In this way, there are 3 markings you can do. So C row, D row, and first columns are marked. Now you draw dotted lines. The row where there is no tick mark, so you draw dotted lines here. First row, second row, fifth row, and sixth row. You draw lines here. Okay, dotted lines. And the column where marking is there. Okay, in this way you draw. So you can see here there is a lines. Just a minute, we will continue the same topic.